Hello everybody, I've got this 22-inch Craftsman weed trimmer in for repairs. It's a model 917.773741. And this cable is broke to engage the trimmer here. So I'm going to swap that out. Hopefully it's a quick action and doesn't take too long. First, on this handle, I've got to push this out like that. Next, I've got to squeeze these tabs. Squeeze those tabs in with the pliers, and that comes out. So right in here, this spring, it should just loop off. If there is a hole, on this piece right here, and the spring's got to hook on there. Again, very tight quarters, very difficult to show. And now I can just pull the assembly out, all through that hole there. It all fits. Go ahead with the new one in there. And since this lower section is kind of difficult to get hooked on there, I'm going to hook it up first. There. Now maybe I can see it. I have tilted the pulley back. In hopes of making that easier to hook that spring on. Okay, so I've got that on there right now. Very hard to show, but it just, that hook just hooks in that hole there. And make sure it's above the belt. And that is ready to continue with the reassembly. We'll take the slack up. And then simply clip that in place. And that'll clip right there. Should anyway. And then a matter of connecting the cable. Well, let's see if it works. Got oil. So once again, replacing the cable on a weed trimmer 22-inch Craftsman. 917.773741. Thank you for watching.